part in the story? Okay, Afrianti.
Broken bone, broken heart.
Okay, thank you, Melly, and thank you, my student. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muzida Eko Wahyuningsih Miswul Laila. I'm an English teacher at SMA Budi Utomo, Perak, Jombang. I'm also a student of program pendidikan profesi guru dalam jabatan tahun 2023 angkatan 3 at Universitas Negeri Malang. Today is Monday, 4 March 2024. I will carry out learning practice to accomplish performance test of program pendidikan profesi guru dalam jabatan at SMA Budi Utomo, Perak. The topic is narrative, fairy tale. Let's enjoy the video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, student.
Good morning, ma'am.
What's been going on?
I'm great. How about you?
I'm great too. Today's learning, we are going to learn about narrative text. Before we study more about narrative text, lead your friend to pray first and read Janji Siswa to Melly. Melly, come forward. Melly, lead your friend to pray first and read Janji Siswa, and then report a attendance list to me.
Yes, I will do it, ma'am.
Okay.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirrabbilalamin. Allahumma sholli ala Muhammad wa ala ali Muhammad. Nas'aluka ilman nafi'a wa amalan sholihah wa rizqan thayyibah. Rabbana shrah lana sudurana wa yassir lana umurana wahlul 'uqdatam min alsinatina yafqahu aqwalana. Rabbana atina fid dunya hasanah wa fil akhirati hasanah wa qina azabannar. Allahumma sholli ala Muhammad wa ala ali Muhammad. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Stand up, please. Janji siswa.
Janji siswa.
Kami siswa SMA Budi Utomo Gading Mangu berjanji.
Kami siswa SMA Budi Utomo Gading Mangu berjanji.
5. Selalu berusaha berkata, bersikap, berperilaku dengan baik, sopan, dan santun dimanapun berada. Sit down, please. I report there's no absent today.
Okay, good job. Thank you, Melly. Have a seat. Okay, before we study more about narrative text, we are going to make ice breaking. It is can set your concentration and match your concentration to do your learning English with me. Are you ready to ice breaking with me?
Yes.
Are you ready to ice breaking with me?
Yes.
Okay, we are do it now.
Sam from the CD Action Fun Dance by The Learning Station.
Arms on high, reach for the sky. Let's sing and move along.
Silly, silly, sam, song. Thank you, student. Are you happy today?
Yes.
Okay. Are you fresh today?
Yes.
Are you sleepy in my class? No. Okay. Alhamdulillah. Okay. Today we are going to learn about narrative that I have explained you in the first meeting, and then as a student of Indonesian, we have proved to learn more about some stories in Indonesia, like Sangkuriang. What else? Maling Kundang. What else? No, in Indonesia I think. Timun Mas. What else? Jakatarup. Huh? Jakatarup. What else? Keong Mas. Oh, so many stories in Indonesia as a legend. Is it right? Do you like it? Okay, when you child, your mother or your teacher told you about the story? Yes. And then, and number 2, as a citizen or people of the world, we need to know about the story in the world, like Cinderella, and then Snow White. What else? Mermaid, and etc. Okay. Today we are going to learn about the story in the world. In the next step, I will give you a video about the very ointment. The very ointment. Do you know the very ointment, Beaver? No, it is not famous, I think. Unpopular. When you child or you in teen. Not popular itu tidak populer atau tidak semua orang tahu cerita tersebut. But I will share you the story because there are so many moral value that you will get from the story. Okay, it's better to us to know the learning objective of this learning. I will show you a slide about the learning objective of narrative text. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. From the learning objective, disajikan video naratif, you can identify the makna. I think after you learn about the video or watch the video, you will get some vocabularies, then you can know the makna. What is makna? Translate meaning of the phrase, not kata. Phrase itu gabungan kata. Number 1. And number 2, after I show you the video, you can analyze is a short some character, main idea, supporting detail, and moral value from the video. After that, you can present it in front of your class. Okay, in front of your friends here. You can use PPT or you can only read your result of discussion. Do you got it my point? Okay, number 3, disajikan si gambar rumpang. I will give you LKPD again or worksheet again about jumble picture. Jumble picture itu gambar yang dilepas-lepas, yang dipotong-potong. You can arrange the picture and then to be a complete story. Complete story based on the video that you have watched in the first sections. Do you get it? Okay, we have 3 activities in this meeting. Number 1, you can identify the phrase, and then number 2, you can analyze and present. Number 3, you can arrange the jumble picture. Okay? Okay, before I give you the video, before I share you the video about the fairy ointment, I will ask you something about story in Indonesia, also in the abroad or in the world. Do you know Maling Kundang? Yes. Do you know Cinderella? Okay. Okay, please stand up. Okay, please tell to us about this Cinderella.
Cinderella is the story about the girls who have a rebel stepmother and sister.
Okay, is it right? Sure? Okay, good job. Have a seat. Thank you, Sekar. As we know, Cinderella is from the abroad, I think, international or in the world. But Maling Kundang is from Indonesia. Where is Maling Kundang from? Okay.
Maling Kundang come from West Sumatra, Indonesia.
Okay, is it right? Okay, good job, Almira. Have a seat. Okay. I will ask you something about Maling Kundang again. Okay. From Maling Kundang, can you get a moral value from Maling Kundang? Okay, please.
I think Maling Kundang is anak durhaka, ma'am.
Anak durhaka. What anak durhaka in English? Rebellious child. Okay, Maling Kundang is rebellious child. Anak durhaka. Good job. Have a seat. Anak durhaka yang pada akhirnya menjadi apa? Menjadi batu. Dikutuk menjadi batu. Okay. Okay, I think enough for introduction of narrative text. I know you know more about the story narrative in abroad or in Indonesia. And then I will add your information, your knowledge about story from abroad. It is the fairy ointment. Please prepare your book. Then write down, type some vocabularies that you have that you didn't know the meaning of the vocabularies. Okay, I will share you now. Prepare yourself.
The fairy ointment. Margot Goody was a nurse that looked after sick people and minded babies. One night, she woke up at midnight, and when she went downstairs, she saw a strange fellow who asked her to come to his house as his wife was too ill to mind their baby.
Please, my wife is very sick, and I cannot put the baby to sleep.
Margot Goody. So that was the story of Margot, who is now a fairy and travels around the world with Viscus. Together, they help people. And come to think of it, it all happened because of the fairy ointment.
Do you like the story?
Yeah.
Okay. What is the best part of the story? Okay, Afrianti.
I like the scene when Margot can understand about Viscous language.
Okay, good job. Margot like Afrianti like the scene when Margot know about the Viscous language. When Margot woke up and then she hear the language of Viscous as a dog. Is it right? Okay, good job. Okay, I will ask you, what did you get from the story? Tadi Ibu tanya mengenai what is the best part, and then now what did you get from the story? Anyone to share about the moral value or anything? Okay, Anya.
I got the message that we must be kind to every people.
We must be kind to every people, although we unknown about the people or the strange people. Okay, now prepare yourself about the identify the phrase of the narrative story based on the video. Please open your Moodle. I have shown you the task about matching word. Silakan. Start from now. Go. If you have finished, please submit your worksheet to me, and then we are, correction. Kita mau koreksi bareng-bareng. Yang indah,
A beautiful
Very
bedroom.
nice. And is there who correct all the worksheet? Ada yang benar semua? Okay, oh, all of you correct. Alhamdulillah. It is the name of phrase. Ya, phrase itu adalah gabungan beberapa kata, tapi maknanya cuma satu. Okay. Next, we are going to the next step is discussion. You can join with your group that I have determined yesterday. Okay, group 1 here. Sekar and friends, and then group 2 Yuta and friend, and then group 3 Kesa and friends. Okay, I share you the alphabet. This one alphabet, and then you might discuss task 2 about the reading comprehension. Reading. Group 3. We use Canva to make the PowerPoint. We use Canva to make the PowerPoint.
Ya, 8.
your result of discussion tonight come Moodle. And then now it's time to present presentation. And I have you to present about your questions, your answer. Begin from the group 1. Please group 1 come forward and then present your result of discussion from number 1 till number 3. Okay, come forward. Time is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Adilia Aura Ramadhani and my friend
Meli Putri Aditya. We are here to representative from group 1. The question number 1, what was the title of the story? Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, for the next presentation will be present to group 2. Group 2, come forward.
We want to present of the result of our discussion. But before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Zulfa Fitria Rosyada, and beside me,
My name is Najma Nur Afifah.
yeah. So we will answer the number 4 until number 6. Okay.
You can ask to your friend, maybe anyone to add the additional information about the answer. Maybe group 1 or group 2 is okay, group 3 is okay. Any additional information? No. Same as you, the answer? Okay, you can close the presentation.
Okay. Maybe enough from us. If we had a lot of mistake, please pardon us.
Okay. Group 2 present about the answer of number 4, 5, and then 6. About what is the character of Margot and the king? Fairy king. What do you think about the Margot and fairy kings? It is kind? Kind. It is kind? Are you agree? Kind. Okay, nice. Good answer. And then, okay, thank you for group 2. And then the next steps, we are going to the last group. 3. The last group is group 3. Please. Group 3 come forward. Perwakilan dari group 3.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Almira Raisya Nadifah.
My name is Kesha Permata Sakina.
So we are standing here to show you all the result of our group discussion. We use Canva for edit the presentation. Okay.
So, the number 7, the question, what happened to Margot after she applied the ointment to her forehead? The answer, she can see that a man was a fairy king and a fairy mother. He could even talk to his dog.
Okay, for number 10. Okay, terima kasih. Thank you for group 3. Before you close the presentation, I will ask all of the class, all of the students here about the moral value of the story. What was the moral value of the story? Based on the group 3's opinion, they choose the being a kind-hearted person is nice. We have to always help someone who asks for a help and be kind to everyone. Thank you for your attention to us and your presentation about the questions about the narrative text. And then for group 1, use Word to present about the answer, and group 2 use PDF, group 3 use PPT. All of you is good enough, I think. And then now I will give you the strength of the material today about narrative, and then you can compare the knowledge of narrative with the video. watch it in the first meeting. Okay? For number one is narrative. Narrative stories such as myth to mythos, legend are referred to narrative. Jadi naratif itu adalah cerita tentang mitos, legend, atau pokoknya sesuatu yang tidak nyata. They are about retelling imaginary stories, only an imaginary, tidak nyata. Jadi tidak faktual. Seperti tadi kita siapa? The theory of myth. It is only the imaginary from the writer or author. Author itu apa? Penulis saja. And then next, the story is sometimes set in imaginary world. Jadi hanya hidup di dunia imajinasi. You can use or make the narrative text based on your opinion, based on your imaginary. You can use, you can make yourself to be the princess maybe. You can make yourself to be the queen. Is it okay? Because the narrative is based on your imaginary. You can make it by yourself. Next, the social functions. The social function apa sih? Fungsi sosial of narrative is number one is to entertain and amuse reader. To entertain and amuse reader and listener. What the meaning of it? Untuk menghibur dan menghibur sama pembaca dan pendengar. Nowadays, people can enjoy narrative in the form of streaming platform, comic books, and animated films. Jadi naratif itu nggak cuma dalam bentuk teks, tapi bisa juga dalam bentuk komiks, bisa juga dalam bentuk film. Like you can watch, Frozen. What else? Moana. What else? Avatar. Aang ya. Okay. And then the generic structure. If you want to make a narrative text, you must know about the generic structure of the narrative. In the beginning of the text, you must use orientation. Orientation is this part tells you who, where, when, what, and why. In the first part, you might write the who, siapa yang menceritakan. Where itu scene-nya di mana? Apa? Bukan scene namanya. Place-nya di mana? Kemudian when, kapan itu terjadi? Pasti long ago, ya kan? Kemudian what itu mengenai apa? Kalau tadi kan mengenai fairy sama siapa tadi? Margo. And then why, kenapa itu bisa terjadi? Oke. Kalau yang tadi, who siapa tadi? Margo. Where, di mana itu? Cerita yang tadi where? Di zaman lalu atau kerajaan, di masa lalu ya. When, kapan itu? Tidak disebutkan waktunya. Bisa what, apakah itu? Mengenai fairy old man atau the magical fairy old man. Why, kenapa itu terjadi? Because the fairy old man and then may change the word. Okay, Margo can know about the magical word. Ya. Kemudian complication. At least there is a conflict overcome by the characters. Jadi dalam sebuah cerita itu ada konflik yang terjadi. Kalau tadi konfliknya apa? The man, a blind man who met the Margot, then Margot want to give her eyes to the man. Itu kan konflik batinnya siapa? Margot. Karena Margot merasa sayang, masa matanya mau dikasih orang, ya nggak sih? Nah itu. And then the action done by the character will reveal their true color. Nah, kalau yang tadi Margot became kind-hearted. Jadi colornya itu kita kira-kira orang yang baik apa orang yang buruk si Margot? Baik. Berarti dia kalau itu kan karakternya dia adalah karakter yang baik. Colornya baik berarti. Kemudian resolution. This part brings the story to an end. Maksudnya itu terakhir. Jadi kalau sudah selesai semua complication, baru nanti ada resolution, endingnya itu bisa happy ending or unhappy ending. Bisa happy ending, bisa sad ending. Kalau yang tadi happy ending apa sad ending? Happy ending because Margot become a fairy, and then Viscous because a fairy, and all of them have wing on the back, ya kan? Dia dua-duanya dapat sayap, sehingga dia bisa terbang seperti seorang peri. Oke, language feature. Kalau kita belajar mengenai naratif itu ada beberapa. Kalau yang berupa tulisan, yang pertama adalah use general person, animals, on things such as boy, fisherman, mount, foxes, ocean. Kayak tadi apa aja? Ada Margot, ada Viscous, ada butterflies, ada the king, apa lagi? Flowers, banyak ya. Proper name, the name of particular person usually use capital letter. Margot use M-nya menggunakan capital letter. Such as Margot pakainya M-nya huruf besar. Adjective, tell us about the color, size, and shape of people or thing are usually describe character or place in narrative. Jadi kalau di dalam sebuah teks narratif itu menggunakan adjektif, bisa warnanya, bisa ukurannya. Tapi kalau yang tadi itu kita sebutkan adalah karakternya, character of the nurse, character of the king, ya kan? Character of the queen, character of the king, ya bisa seperti itu. Oke, thanks for attention. Any question about the presentation yang singkat ini? Any questions? No, there is no question. Okay, if you have no questions about the material of the narrative text, I'd like to invite you again to do the assignment, to the magic. Okay. Arrange the jumble picture. Is the name of jumble picture. In Indonesia is gambar rumpak. Gambar rumpak itu gambar yang berantakan. Jumble itu artinya berantakan. Nah, you can make the picture based on the story that you have watched. Jadi kamu harus mengurutkan gambar tersebut sesuai dengan cerita yang sudah ibu tunjukkan sama kalian tadi. Have you ready? Yes. Silakan number 1. Oke, gitu. Silakan. Ulang aja, udah aja. Oke. Silakan, langsung maju aja Mbak. Okay, alhamdulillah we have finished. You have finished all the activity today. We are doing the ice breaking and then watching the movie and then discussing and then presentation and then Clear? After that, you arrange the jungle picture. Okay, good job. Good job, good job. Alhamdulillah, that's all the lesson today. I will ask you, what is your feeling after you learning narrative text today? What is your feeling? Keisa, what is your feeling after you learn narrative text today?
Happy and I know about narrative text.
Okay, happy and you know about narrative text. What is your feeling, Aprianti? You silent in my class, I think. What is your feeling? Are you feeling tired? What is your feeling? No. Are you happy? Okay, you have happy. And then how about you? Are you okay? Do you know all of the material of narrative text? Okay, nice. And then, okay. And the last section, I'd like you ask again. What will you want to learn again after you learn the narrative text? Narrative, there are some, what is it? There are some kind of narrative text, fairy tales, myth, legend, and the day we have learned about fairy tales. And what will you want to learn again after it? Dita, maybe?
I want to learn about legend.
Okay, Dita want to learn about legend. How about you, Sekar? What is your planning after you learn about fairy tales?
I want to learn more about
Myth. Okay, how about you, Anya?
I think I like to learn about traditional stories.
Okay, Anya want to learn about traditional story. Inshallah, in the next meeting we are going to learn about myth, and then legend, and then traditional story. There are so many stories in Indonesia and the world, and you must know more about the story in internet or in library on to your teacher. Okay, Alhamdulillah, Jazakumullah khairan. Thank you very much, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.